Public speaking is something many people will need to do at least occasionally in their lives, whether it is a one-sentence comment or a longer speech. Yet for many, there are roadblocks that can make it very difficult, even terrifying, to speak in front of a large audience. This series will present some useful, bite-sized tips that anyone can use to improve your public speaking, wherever that may be. It is hoped that it will help you gain confidence and improve your overall experience. While there are, of course, going to be occasions when it is necessary to speak rapidly, pacing is important when you're speaking publicly. This episode will address pacing. Everyone seems to be in a hurry these days. There's always pressure to do it faster, do it yesterday. But when you're giving a speech, don't be in a rush. It is more important to speak clearly and accurately than to speak quickly. Maybe you're a bit anxious about being in front of an audience, and you are racing to get through it so you can leave the stage. If so, practice the tips given in the first episode on overcoming stage fright. If you're rushing through, it gives the impression that you really don't want to be there. That may or may not be the case, but you want to give off the appearance of being calm, comfortable, and confident in what you're doing and saying. That way you maintain the control, the authority, while you are speaking. Slow your pace down. Slowing your pace down will give you that control. You are less likely to stumble over your words, and you'll have an air of confidence that the audience will pick up on. Next episode, find out how to deal with microphones. Hope you found today's public speaking tip useful and inspiring. The best way to make use of this tip, and to get better at public speaking, of course, is to just do it. Practice, practice, and practice.